The city of Salzburg in Austria is a charming destination offering a rich blend of history, culture, and natural beauty. Located in the heart of the Austrian Alps, this beautiful city is renowned for its stunning architecture, musical heritage, and picturesque scenery. For those planning a trip to Salzburg, watching a drone video can be a great way to get a glimpse of what this charming city has to offer. Drone videos allow travelers to appreciate the beauty of the city of Salzburg from a higher altitude and a different perspective. One of Salzburg's most iconic sites is undoubtedly the Hohensalzburg Fortress. This imposing fortress, located on top of Festungsberg Hill, provides a panoramic view of the city and gives an insight into its rich history. In addition, exploring the Mirabel Palace and Gardens will allow you to admire its meticulously manicured landscapes. For music lovers, Salzburg is synonymous with Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart. You can immerse yourself in his legacy by visiting his birthplace and residence, which has become a museum on Getreidegasse. The annual Salzburg Festival also attracts music lovers from around the world with its world-class performances held during the summer months. Nature lovers will find solace in Salzburg's surrounding scenery. With easy access to the Austrian Alps, adventure seekers can enjoy outdoor activities such as hiking, skiing, and mountain biking.